Today is Monday, July 1st. This is the original vintage 1959-1960 Cadillac Power mechanism. I've done a complete disassembly all the way down to the final gear and final screws, and I'm doing a full restoration of this unit. The 5-gear multi-pinion gearbox, the 19-inch beautiful telescopic mast, 19 inches overall length, and the 18-inch tubular body, as well as the drive box, cap, and winder body, and all of the actuation components and seal. Motor's been taken apart and fully rewound, and it has a beautiful chrome bezel that the telescopic mast protrudes through, as well as the mating ring that goes in between the chrome bezel and the fender, and the top body cap for the tubular mast body. So shortly I'll be doing a full assembly and lubrication of all the parts, final assembly, and then a final functional validation video showing the actual actuation of this fully rebuilt antenna. I'm doing this initial video in order to show that this is that all of the antennas that I rebuilt for the Cadillacs, of which my heart of the range is 1962 to 1976, including the limiter base switch 73 to 76 variants, and occasionally the 59 and 60s whenever I run across an opportunity to rebuild one. All my rebuilds as such are a full breakdown, not just merely a clean and spray painting, which I do not do at all. I do a complete breakdown of the gearbox and all of the actuation components, as demonstrated by this disassembly video. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 parts, over 250,000 1959 to 1976 components in my inventory. I specialize in the original Cadillac steering wheel show quality restoration of the steering wheels and the steering columns, and I dabble with the mechanisms, including the power antenna and the power seat mechanisms, door locks and switches and such. Today is Monday, July 1st. Thank you very kindly.